Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, pretty much center strip. I'm right by Harrah's, going to go inside Harrah's Hotel and Casino. Lots going on there. They have some new restaurants. Gordon Ramsay has a new place in there. Bobby Flay just opened Bobby's Burgers, and lots going on in there. So let's go inside and check it out, shall we? Before I start with some New Orleans themed music here, or at least some New Orleans themed music that I could get copyright free, the best I could do, I'm going to bring up the background volume a little bit so you guys can hear some entertainment here at Harrah's. Warning, there's some karaoke involved. Not from me, but just a warning, karaoke up ahead. Anyone familiar with Las Vegas or the Las Vegas Strip knows this area. It's called Carnival Court, in case you didn't know. Again, another throwback to Mardi Gras, and more about the whole Mardi Gras theming here in Harrah's, which will be going away, or is already going away, later in the video.
We do love. I'm just kidding, we don't, but I do love. If I did those songs, I'd lose my voice every day.
This is Pizza Cake by Buddy Velastro, and Buddy is pretty much everywhere in Las Vegas, especially at Caesars properties. I had a slice here, actually I had a couple slices here during a pizza challenge. That video is available here on the New York channel. It wasn't bad. I never had the cake, but I didn't hear too many good things about the cake, but the pizza's not bad. Here's a little Harrah's gift shop right off the casino floor. This is the newly opened Ramsay's Kitchen. Prepare for a one-of-a-kind culinary journey with Michelin-starred chef Gordon Ramsay in this new, casually refined and bustling venue where you can experience some of Gordon's classics and favorites such as beef Wellington and sticky toffee pudding. I always said I was never one on celebrity chefs, but Gordon Ramsay is good. I've never had a bad meal at any of his restaurants. What about you guys? This is the Fulton Street Food Hall. See what fresh food the chefs are serving at this marketplace with a cafe, noodle bar, pizza station, always open bar, and more. Bobby's Burgers, a Bobby Flay restaurant, is right at the edge of the food court near the casino entrance. And if you watch my other videos, you know that I visited Bobby's Burgers plenty of times. The food is really good. The burgers are good, the fries are good, fantastic shakes, but it is expensive. Now, this looks like it might be a bakery in the food court, but it's not. It's outside the food court, and it's one of those fancy soap places. You know, the kind of soap place that looks like all the soaps belong in a pastry shop. I just never understood that. I can't imagine going into the shower with a, let's say, a strawberry cupcake or a chocolate chip cookie, unless, of course, I was going to eat it. I love Zydeco music, and what you're listening to right now is kind of like a Zydeco ragtime fusion. Not one of my favorite Zydeco songs, but I do like Zydeco. Very Louisiana. I realize it's an acquired taste, so just put up with it for a minute or two. Zydeco, as well as mariachi music, always puts me in the mood to cook and drink. To drink and cook.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Thank you for tuning into the New York channel today. I've got two shout outs today. One to Brendan Evans, who found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, the Mandalay Bay / Four Seasons Hotel and Casino, as well as Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown, in my latest Atlantic City video, the Claridge Room Tour. Congratulations, guys, and once again, thank you everyone for tuning into New York today. When I recorded this video not too long ago, Buck and Winnie Greenback, the couple that you see here, this statue, was definitely here in the casino, but it's now gone. Part of that de-theming of the Harrahs Hotel and Casino, they're getting rid of that whole Mardi Gras theme. Many hotels and casinos on the Las Vegas Strip, in the 90s, they were built with themes. Themes are kind of like out of style now. New hotels and casinos are built themeless, and the ones with themes, when they're being redone, well, they're pretty much being redone without a theme. So, goodbye, Buck and Winnie Greenback. It was fun while it lasted. I took a quick ride up the escalator. Of course, I held on tight to check out the showrooms up here. And up here you can see Menopause the Musical, X-Country, Tape Face, as well as the Donny Osmond Show. Lots of good shows here at Harrahs. I have this same outfit. I wear it when I'm running around town doing chores. Nobody seems to bother me. That's why I like it. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.